Savannah Tidrick. I work in patient financial services as a financial counselor.
Hi everybody, so my name is Lyle Crotwell. My title is the Respiratory Care and Risk Manager here at the hospital.
Hi, my name is Julie Kepler. I'm the lab manager at Richland Hospital.
Hi, I'm Bruce Raisler. I'm the Chief Executive Officer.
I'm Dr. Jenna Sobranic. I provide care in the obstetric department and also inpatient care to pediatric patients.
Hi, I'm Deanna Caspers, and I am the nurse manager of the birth center.
My name is Carolyn Anderson. I'm Director of Quality Resources here at the Richland Hospital.
Hi, I'm Ellie Stanek, and I'm Quality and Education Coordinator.
I'm Rachel Fruit. I'm the Infection Prevention and Employee Health Nurse.
Hi, my name is Kimberly Neal. I work in environmental services. I'm an environmental service tech.
I'm Alan Hines. I'm in the IT department. I am the help desk specialist.
My name is Linda Stadler. I am the nurse manager of the special care unit.
Hi, my name is Kara Jones. I've worked at the Richland Hospital in the medical records department for 14 years.
Hi, I'm Heidi Darling, and I've worked in cardiopulmonary rehab for 20 years at the Richland Hospital.
And I'm Shelley Maxwell, and I have been working here for 13 years, also in cardiopulmonary rehab.
Hello, my name is Courtney Clone, and I am the Executive Assistant and the Medical Staff Coordinator here at the Richland Hospital.
I've been at the Richland Hospital for 24 years.
I've worked here for 2 years in July.
I've been here for almost 4 years now. I've been in healthcare for 20 plus years.
I have been here almost 43 years, just a day or two it feels like.
Been at the Richland Hospital for just over 3 years now.
I have been a nurse at the Richland Hospital for 8 years.
For a year and a half in conjunction with the Richland Medical Center.
I have worked in this department for a little over 2 years. I've been at the Richland Hospital for 10 years, but I've been a nurse for almost 27 years.
I've been here for about 3, almost 4 years.
I have been a nurse at the Richland Hospital for 8 years.
I have been here as of the 22nd of September, 4 years.
I have been here 33 years.
I have been with the Richland Hospital team for 13 years now, and it is a great place to be.
I took an aptitude test when I was graduating from high school. My high school basketball coach was also my guidance counselor, and he thought I needed to have something to do. So I did that, and I really liked it, and here I am 20-some years later.
Both of my parents chose careers that showed their dedication to their community. My father was a police officer his whole career in this town, and my mother was a nurse. And so I followed in my mom's footsteps and decided to go into nursing because I wanted to give back to my community, and I have been a part of this hospital since I was born.
I really enjoy laboratory work. I've enjoyed my job every day that I've been here. I love lab, I love medical. I've always been into the sciences. When I got out of school, I wanted to do something in lab or do laboratory work, and I really was not led the right direction until I went to the campus out here.
I initially got into medicine because I was inspired actually by a local physician here at the Richland Medical Center named Dr. Richard Edwards. He always made me feel better when I came to the doctor, and growing up I knew I wanted to be like him.
I was graduated, got my bachelor's degree in the middle of the last recession that was called the Big Recession, so I decided to go on to graduate school, and the idea of healthcare appealed to me as being in a helping profession, yet applying my business degree.
Nursing was actually about my 3rd or 4th profession choice. And so really when I was in school, I actually had an instructor who said, you need to be a nurse. It was one of the most challenging professions, and it really allows me to care for patients and be challenged every single day to improve myself and improve the care that we provide.
I really love working at the Richland Hospital. I like the community feel. Before this, I've always worked at really big hospitals. I had a family member that got sick and ended up dying in a hospital, and had a really, really good experience with his nurses, and that's why I decided I wanted to be a nurse.
I love my job so much because I've always been very good at cleaning and organizing My parents used to say they always knew when I wasn't sleeping because I'd be cleaning and rearranging my room. So this was just such a perfect fit for me. I love like giving the patients a clean environment to get better in, and interacting with all my coworkers is always so much fun too.
As cliche as it sounds, I really wanted to help other people. And when my grandma came to live close to us when I was in school, helping care for her really instilled a drive in me to care for others.
And when I wanted to leave the public school sector, I decided there was only 2 places I wanted to go. I either wanted to go into the health field or I wanted to work for a sporting department, such as working for a team, either professional or college. This opportunity came available. I think the health field is a unique opportunity when it comes to IT. It's ever changing, ever growing. The things that we can do now that we couldn't do 20 years ago are remarkable and amazing.
You'll be surprised to know that I didn't intend to go into healthcare, but had my name drawn in a lottery system to get into MATC Madison in the nursing program. And I am delighted that I got in. I love nursing.
One of the ways that I got interested in the healthcare field was I used to work at O'Brien Brothers here in town, and when they closed down, a friend of mine that was working here brought me down to HIM and said, or actually HR, and said, go ahead and apply. So I got the job, and over the years I've changed from health information management to coding, and now I do utilization review. So I have learned a lot in my time here, and it's been an enjoyable time.
One of the reasons I went into healthcare is I really like to work with people, so I really enjoy what I do.
And I also enjoy working with people, but I guess my mom was probably an inspiration to me. She's been working here for over 30-some years as a registered nurse, and I'm somewhat following in her footsteps.
Healthcare was not my directed path after high school. I had planned to go into agriculture, so I kind of fell into this industry, but I stayed because of the people. The people in healthcare are empathetic, they are caring, it's like one big happy family. So that is why I stayed in healthcare as long as I have.
A fun fact about me is that I'm running my first full marathon tomorrow morning. So by the time you see this, I'll have done it, so feel free to ask me about it. Hopefully it goes well.
In my life, I have attended 7 different universities, and I am weeks away from earning my master's degree.
Yay! I probably am best known for being a dog lover up here and going and gardening and getting in the dirt, and have really enjoyed my coworkers and feel like I have brought a lot to the community.
My wife Betsy and I have 4 adult children, 3 in the Midwest, and 1 is out in Boston. We just love to get together with kids whenever we can. Glad to have you all as co-workers.
Fun fact about myself is I was born and raised here in Richland Center and got to come back home. And I recently gave birth to a set of twins who are now also going to be raised in this wonderful little town.
I am pregnant with my 2nd child, due to give birth any minute now.
Any minute.
I like music a lot. I've seen Michael Jackson in concert and Justin Timberlake twice, and hopefully again in October with my 3 kids.
I refurbish furniture. It's something that I've found that I have a talent for in the last couple of years, so it's something I really enjoy to do.
As of yesterday, I am now a grandfather of 5. I have 3 granddaughters and 2 grandsons, and I actually will have a 3rd grandson, if everything goes right and the doctors are right, as of August 1st of this year.
And something that a lot of the patients are surprised to hear about me is that I actually live on a dairy farm where they milk 200 cows 3 times a day. So I'm not quitting my day job anytime soon.
My fun fact is that I'm a beekeeper. Honey.
One of the things that a few people know about me is that we raise horses and we also have a farm.
One of our fun facts is we've worked together for 13 years.
A fun fact about myself is I'm currently writing a book. So I love to write and I love to do public speaking. So that is my next path in my journey.